Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll make a traditional sweet dish which is popular both in Gujarat and Rajasthan, that is Mohan Tal. This Mohan Tal is very often offered as a prasad to the deity and it's also made on many festive occasions. The ingredients we require are gram flour or besan 1 cup, mawa or khova which is solidified milk, that again 1 cup, half cup of ghee, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, a few pieces of badam, you can add any other dry fruits if you like, 2 tablespoons of milk and some silver foil, this is edible grade for decoration. Now this happens in a number of steps. For the first step, take the besan in a bowl, 1 cup of besan or gram flour and add 2 tablespoons of milk to it and mix it together. We have to actually mix it very well till it becomes into a crumbly texture like breadcrumbs. That should be the texture of this besan after adding the milk to it. See the crumbly texture which you are getting. Now mix it thoroughly and then we have to just keep it aside for 15 minutes. We'll come back after 15 minutes and go on to step 2. Now it is 15 minutes. See our besan. Generally what we do is we have to sieve it through a large hole sieve like this to get breadcrumbs type texture like this. But today I have adopted a very simple method. What I did, I took this and just put it in a mixie jar. I'll do it again and show you. And just pulsed it for a couple of seconds. This is the pulse button. Just for a couple of seconds and see what a lovely grainy texture you get. So this is a small trick which you can adopt instead of struggling with this method. Next step, take a heavy kadai and heat half a cup of ghee in it. Now the ghee has melted. Add in your sieved besan or gram flour. Reduce the heat to minimum sim and just continue cooking this in the ghee for about 10 to 15 minutes till you get a good aroma and a nice brownish color. So let us just continue cooking it over a very low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. After that we will come back for the next step. See, it has been frying for 10 minutes now. I am getting a very good aroma and see the color change also. Lovely color we have got. Now at this stage add in the khova or mawa and mix it well and continue cooking for another few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Now the besan, khova, ghee, everything has fried very well together. You can switch it off and keep it aside to cook. Next step is to make the sugar syrup. Now before that I have taken a plate and greased it with some ghee and kept ready. We will make the sugar syrup. For that take 1 cup sugar and add some water to it. Say about half cup of water, just enough to cover the sugar, that's all you need. And continue boiling this till you get a one string consistency. The sugar syrup has boiled well. To check for the string consistency, just wet your hand, take a bit of sugar syrup between your thumb and forefinger. See, you get a nice string like this. You can switch it off. Then pour the syrup into the besan mixture. And keep on stirring it till it becomes thick. Now we have been stirring this till it comes together as one mass. See? Now take it and pour it onto the greased plate. Just level it like this. Taken this food grade Edelbill silver foil and putting on this. If you don't want to use this, it's entirely your wish. You can just avoid it. It's only a matter of decoration and appearance. If you don't want, there's no problem at all. Then spread these dry fruits on top. That is the cut pieces of badam. If you have pista, you can put that also. And allow it to cool down for at least 1.5 to 2 hours at room temperature. After that, we can cut into pieces and serve. See this cardamom powder, I should have added it along with the sugar syrup. I just forgot it while making. You can just add it on later on also. Now we'll just allow this to cool down at room temperature for 1.5 to 2 hours. After 2 hours, it would have set very well, then we can cut it into pieces. It has cooled down very well for about 2 hours. I have cut into pieces and your Mohanthal absolutely melt in mouth is ready to be served. So do try it out and share with your friends and give me your feedback on Geeta's Kitchen. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen for more such easy tasty recipes. Thank you.